Okay, the Shark Matrix 2300 is fully charged. As you can see, the lights are solid across. These three blue lights, that means fully charged. This will be the first time that it will be cleaning my house. It just has the docking station here. And okay, both Shark Matrix robots, vacuum cleaners, do the same thing. They'll do the whole house. Just start them out cleaning and they will continue to clean the whole house. It's just the difference, there's no difference in them outside of the fact this one does not have a 2300. It does not have the self-emptying base station, but it does have a bigger robot bin, dustbin. Now it goes under the bed, back and forth, cleans up all the dust and dirt out of there. And you might be able to see the marks back and forth here in the hallway. And it does the whole house.